Now we've been dealing with how to read and write words, English words, using two letters. In short, we've been able to see how to use the 5 groups in short sounds, or using the short sounds of the vowels to write and read words. Now we're going to see how to pronounce English words. We've been able to see how to write them and pronounce them, but specifically here we're going to see how to combine them to pronounce English words. So we'll be dealing with pronouncing English words. 1. Pronouncing English words. We're going to have tips in pronouncing English words. So we're going to start with the first tip, which is the use of short sounds. We've been dealing with that. We're going to combine that to see. So we've been able to see ba, ka, da, fa, ga, ha, ja, ka, la, ma, na, pa, ka, ra, sa, ta, va, wa, za, ya, za. We also saw be, se, de, fe, ge, he, je, ke, le, me, ne, pe, ke, re, se, te, ve, we, ze, ye, ze. This is B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, Z, Y, Z. We have bo, ko, do, fo, go, ho, jo, ko, lo, mo, no, po, ko, ro, so, to, vo, wo, zo, yo, zo. We also have bo, ko. Remember, o and u, they have the same sound in short sounds. Bo, ko, do, fo, go, ho, jo, ko, lo, mo, no, po, ko, ro, so, to, vo, wo, zo, yo, zo. Now we're going to join them to pronounce words. We're going to join them to see how we can use the method to pronounce words. This our method is called Babebi Bobo method. It's called Babebi Bobo method. That is the method that we have designed for this particular lesson, and that is our method. So if we join them Babebi Bobo, you are going to have Babebi Bobo, Sa se si koko, da de di dodo, fa fe fi fo, fa fe fi fo, okay? Ga ge gi gogo, ha he hi ho, ja je ji jojo, ka ke ki koko, la le li lo, ma ne mi mo, na ne ni no, pa pe pi popo, ka ke ki koko, ra re ri ro, sa se si so, ta te ti toto, va ve vi vo, wa we wi wo, za ze zi zo, ya ye yi yo, za ze zi zo. So we are going to read that again. So that we can get used to the combination. If you get these sounds and if you're able to get these sounds, you will not, for example, mistake be and b or ba and be. You will not mistake them. They will be very clear in your pronunciation, in your writing. Whether you write, the moment you're asked to write be, you know that you are going to write be. Beg, you know you are going to write beg. Be, you know you are going to write bi. If you get the sounds. So let's read that again. We have ba be bi bobo, ka se si koko, da de di dodo, fa fe fi fo, ga ge gi go, ha he hi ho, ja je ji jojo, ka ke ki koko, La, le, li, lo, lo. La, le, li, lo, lo. Ma, me, mi, mo. Ma, me, mi, mo. Na, ne, ni, no, no. Na, ne, ni, no, no. Pa, pe, pi, po. Pa, pe, pi, po. Ka, ke, ki, ko. Ka, ke, ki, ko. Ra, re, ri, ro. Ra, re, ri, ro. Sa, se, si, so. Sa, se, si, so. Ta, te, ti, to. Ta, te, ti, to. Va, ve, vi, vo. Va, ve, vi, vo. Wa, we, wi, wo. Wa, wi, wo. Za, ze, zi, zo. Za, zi, zo. Ya, ye, yi, yo. Ya, ye, yo. Ba, za, ze, zi, zo. Za, ze, zi, zo. This is the method we call Ba, Baby Bobo method. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, give us a thumbs up. Please share.